So, just pulled up to some parking lot. Countertop, sink, stove. I'm gonna be installing that today. Rip a cut on this bad boy and get her installed. Just finished installing the countertop, sink, and stove. Now I gotta clean it all up, which I ain't looking forward to. Later.
All the time while you're looking away, there are things you can do, man. There's things you can say to the ones you're with whom you're spending the day. Get your gaze off tomorrow. Now come on, man.
So time for an adventure. Got the van full, going to Vancouver Island. 3 surfboards, 3 stand-up paddle boards, dry bags, wet bags, all kinds of toys.
Do I look to the other side?